Welcome to Cheen's Art Channel. Subscribe and join the colorful with me. Hi everyone, I'm Cheen. Welcome back to the channel. This is part number 7 of my special series, DIY Christmas Decor, 9 Simple Holiday Canvas Ideas. Today, we're painting a festive Christmas wreath on a mini canvas. This tutorial is extra fun because instead of a traditional brush, we're using a fringed drinking straw to chop out our wreath texture. We'll be using a bold cadmium red for the background and layering 3 shades of green to make our wreath look full and realistic. Grab your paints and a straw. All set? Let's start painting. that's it. Our festive Christmas wreath is complete. I love how the straw technique gives it so much texture, and that little snowman in the center adds such a sweet touch. Don't forget to let your finished painting dry completely before adding any varnish. Remember, acrylics are all about practice, so just enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the full playlist for the other 8 holiday canvas ideas. Next up, we are painting a very sweet gingerbread man. You can find the link to the playlist and the next video right in the description box below. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, creative day. I'll see you in the next video.